Esta 275 40 20. Sí, como otra vez llantas, pero quería ver si la podemos poner una más grande o más ancha. ¿O es la misma? Ya, nada, si fuimos a un meet. Fuimos a un meet y tronamos la llanta. Lo bueno que no tronamos el ring. Oh, sí es la misma medida. Ok, te caigo ahorita un ratito. Órale. What's up, guys? We're back. Hey, ¿qué estás haciendo tú? ¿Qué? So, we were gonna put up the avalanche. We think about doing a turbo, but some guy commented in a video that he was calling me out. So I told him, well, let's line them up. I don't really care if I win or lose, but if you call me out, I'm gonna race you. Tampoco te voy a jugar una troca que tenga turbo, so the guy looks like he has a 6.2 4-door. I don't know what mods, I don't even know the guy. He just said that my shit was slow. So I told him, man, we can line him up. So we went to this meet with my boy Steve. I one of the Stay for Low. And I was just gonna pull up, just chill. But it was a meet over here, 249, so we had 100%. And we blew up the tire, in el alambre. Entonces, we're gonna go to Mitch right now. He's the one that I've been buying the tires for the rear. These ain't no Mickey Thompsons like the front one. So these are regular street tires. I don't want to put expensive tires and keep buying them knowing that I'm gonna burn out. I know they're not burnout wheels, but sometimes, we gotta rep. This is the only truck I got right now. The burnout truck's still in process, so this is the only one that can represent. I can barely talk. I cut the shit out of my tongue. Thanks to Canelo. I was trying to feed that little fucker. I was trying to feed him and me brincó y me pegó y me mordí. So I can barely talk, so hope y'all understand. But yo, we're gonna turn the truck on, show the boys the nitrous. We got the nitrous in it. I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna go take it to Mitch so we can swap the tires, just in case. Cause tomorrow's Saturday. I told the guy pull up Saturday or Sunday, so I don't want no excuses. I want to have the truck ready. If not, the truck isn't just sit here. We're just gonna take it out because of that guy. But yep, we're about to roll out on this one. Vamos a prenderle un cold start. Vamos a ver cómo se escucha. A ver si prende. It's been sitting here for like a week.
My boy was going through some big damage. Look at that. Damn it, boy. Big time, big risk. You just gotta take the risk. Look at all that rubber. ¿Qué más quieres, papi? Pull it, pull it. I know, I can tell.
Let's see how, like, como jala con estas. If not, I think I'm gonna go wider. You know, like wider, para que tenga un look más chingón. I like how it looks now, it looks better. La otra estaba como muy delgadita.
Yeah. Look like low pros.
Esta es una
275/40?
No, 260. No, that's 275. 275, 45, 20. Esta es 275, 40. Yeah, pero nada, cómo se ve. Ya se ve con madre, güey, esa llanta.
Not gonna lie.
What do you think?
I think you should change the front ones too.
The front ones? Hell no, the front ones are expensive.
Not bad, pero hey, they go hard.
That's because they're new. That's just not dirty.
And
The
sticker on too.
Huh?
Sticker on too.
Oh yeah, you know that sticker. We're gonna rip it off. But yeah, let's go pay up. Dang, I didn't think the underglows. I thought they didn't work no more, but looks like they do now. Oh, it's not Chucky. He's the one that did the underglow. What's up, man?
What up, man?
Una quemazón.
Eran los stickers.
¿A cuánto me duran? Because the other ones me duraron como
I seen the video. I think.
like 3 days. 3 days, no?
3 days.
No, dije, I'm crazy. I was gonna leave it here.
We got busy on because I started on this one in the morning. Pero hasta era largo leve, like, it was chill.
Posted that video you took a long time ago.
Yeah, I took it out like,
Those people think I sold that bitch.
that bitch.
Hey, saluda, güey. No saludas, cabrón. Oh. No, Oh, ya está. ¿Y tu papá?
Allá.
Para pagar el bill.
Negocios, ando haciendo negocios.
Ya está.
Take some fucking take a video already.
Nigga, I thought the underglow didn't work no more.
I know, I looked. When I was jacking that bitch up, because we had it on jack stands, because we needed the jacks. And I put it on jack stands. Ya mira abajo, están azules. I'm like, did he forget to turn them off? Or?
I don't know, nigga. It felt like last time I parked it, se miraba como they were not working no more.
Them, them.
Yeah. Y luego, güey, hey, I did the Christmas lights, güey. Fuck that. I'm not doing that shit again. Nigga, para quitar el sticker. That shit, nomás duró como 2 días. Bro, sticker like, dejó el pegamento. Lo bueno que somos pintores, I know how to take it off quick, but we'll put Frank to do it.
¿Te imaginas alguien que no sepa?
Todo rayado y todo.
Todo rayado. Una muchacha que trabajaba aquí, llegó una vez, nosotros la vimos de lejos. Esta vieja la hizo wrap up de Christmas wrap. Y pasó una vez, puro tape, the painter's tape, bro. The bright ass colored tape. I was like,
Nah, I won't do it again. I did the outline, but
I wanted to do it, but I was like, I was
don't
gonna
do
do
it. At night está bien, se ve bien. Maybe do a Christmas tree or something.
Yeah, that should be dope.
Yeah. Hey, I was gonna put it up, but some guy called me out. Yeah, he's like, hey, that shit's slow. It's like, that shit's slow. Like, all right, we can line it up. So that's why we bought tires.
Man,
Yeah, I was telling him some guy called me out, way. I was gonna put it up, because I popped the tires.
Yeah.
And it's like, this guy was like, that shit's slow. And I was like, well, let's line them up. And he's like, dime at what time and where. Like, nigga, pull up to my shop on the weekend. And a ver qué pasa. We ready. If he beats me, he beats me. If he don't, nigga, I ain't gonna back out.
Nah, pues
El Lego, el de él es una 6'2", pues, de la nueva. Es que el Panda, he has a 6'2", but we smoke. Yeah. Well, yeah.
esa
Ahí está.
jala con madre la del Panda también, ¿no?
Yeah, it runs.
That bitch
That
quick.
bitch is
I was
fast.
in the nigga when y'all raced, that bitch took off también.
Sí. Ahorita, it's on pump gas. So, I ran out of gas on Christmas. And I was over there, I was like, fuck it, I added fucking 93 way and it's running funny. So, vamos a gastarle el gas para que. I have a tune-up E85. On the 5.3, I could have put both, but it wasn't making it was not a difference way. Like it was still run good, but with the big code, no le gusta. No. Hey, but I like how it looks. Now se mira más. I like this. The tire. We might do the front ones too.
That bitch looks good.
Yeah.
These are skinny ones.
Más flaquilla. Nigga, I thought I popped the tire because I went to this meet aquí. Este me invitó. And I was like, alright, fuck it, let's go. And then next thing you know, like people were doing burnouts. I'm like, alright.
Se emocionó.
Hey, nigga.
Se emocionó.
I did burn. Next thing you know, I felt like something hit me, way. And like I thought pop, but not all the way. Not all the way. Yeah, that's like a special painter work. Yeah. It makes it doesn't make some different wheels. Yeah. Draw with some big ass, like some billets. Cause it looks like the design, it looks good.
Yeah.
I need some alignment, some wheels. And this is like our third set already.
Yeah.
Brand new, third set. Hey, te hablé ese día. ¿Cuándo fue? Oh yeah, te hablé ese día because I was like, I was gonna nigga pull up that day, but I was like, pull up on the weekend.
A lo mejor es que that day, no, hombre, teníamos, like, we had to start meeting people like around 12. So that's how
Oh,
bad it's
era New Year's Day.
Yeah. That day, man, todos llegaron, porque ves que everybody says bueno, trips, ahora, y luego llegaron, y at 12, está bien. Si no, agarramos y nunca nos vamos.
Bro, I was telling your dad I fucked up. Tell me why I thought the 30th was the 31st. I got drunk. That's why I put this with the hey, I was like, hey, make sure that shit down. Nigga, I woke up It was the 31st. I was like,
John bien, ya cenaron uno, ya es el primero.
I didn't get drunk the next day. I just chilled, man. I didn't want to get drunk twice.
I didn't want to. I sip, but it's like a little chill sip. I don't want to.
Nah, yo me puse a tomar con quality. Un 12 de Bud Light y yo me agarré un 12 de Budweiser.
You mix it.
Sí.
Ya valió ahí.
Yeah.
You mix it.
But I've been sipping on Crown with Coke. That's like my drink right there. Chill.
También.
La Budweiser me pega.
Bocana, güey.
Bocana.
Sprite or Squirt.
¿Qué es Bocana?
La de piña.
¿Bocana qué es? ¿Es that whiskey?
It's like whiskey, no?
Yeah, Bocana.
Yeah. I prefer the piña one. The piña one is that's madre, bro. Like,
Is that the one you drink with a squirt?
Yeah. Pero la otra, the other one's strong. Yeah. Straight.
I like to
Maybe
sip on it.
maybe if I'm like drunk.
Yeah.
Like,
Fuck it.
Like that, I ain't like, hey, fuck it. But
yeah.
I need to be sipping on it. Like, I prefer something. I gotta have like a little mixture, like something.
La beer, I started drinking like that y la verdad la cerveza yo te la tomo mucho. Y esta vez la tomé, güey. I haven't drank beer like in 2 weeks. Me pegó. Yeah, hell yeah.
That's how.
Pero te empanza, güey. La beer te empanza y te drink.
Y luego, I feel like when you drink like liquor, like you mix mixed drinks, you rarely go to the restroom. When you drink beer, cada ratito, cada ratito. Parece pinche moquera.
Yeah. No, pues ya está entonces. Va a pagar el bill. No, papá. No, Chucky. No, haciendo, güey. This is Chucky. We're gonna start otra vez recording otra vez, güey. El desmadre. Porque salgas. Oh, we seen your truck earlier.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, I cut my tongue, nigga. Pinche Canelo jump. Me pegó. Nigga. Le iba a dar de comer. He was excited. Me pegó, güey. Tenía la lengua. Me mordí la lengua. Ahorita puedo hablar un poco, güey. Pero saben, like, those guys que no pueden hablar. Que tienen la lengua. Like,
Pero no se te hincha.
Oye, cada vez que hablo, güey. Cada vez que grito. ¿Qué te da? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, we got called out, so we see what happens. If he pulls over, we don't really care, but at least we're ready. I'm thinking about doing a turbo on it. You know, turbito.
Full charge. The supercharger nasty. They build the boost faster than the
There's a new one too, but what you gonna pay for a supercharge? Might as well just do a
get the
turbo.
plates, the adapter plates, and do the Hellcat supercharger. Ahí te vas a gastar menos de 5,000.
See? Nah, I don't know. On this one, I might just do a turbo, way. I don't know. I feel like I need some turbo. Now, we went to that meet, güey, estaba lleno de trocas, pero that was only avalanche. Nobody pulls up on the avalanche. Just me.
I remember back in Slab, there was an orange avalanche that salió.
Yeah, but that's different.
Ese güey ya no salió. And then yours is like the second avalanche I've seen like that.
Oh, con el 6-0. Está bueno, nada de pagarle a este entonces. Ahí estamos pues, güey. Cuídate. ¿Ya no te has jodido la mano?
A little bit, but I'm good.
Pues no te la jales ya, güey. ¿Sabe Vicente o no? ¿Vicente está? Sí. Ok, viene a levantar la ropa. Y es la perrona.